Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna and this is Vlogmas Day 2. I hope the audio is better than yesterday because yesterday I didn't realize what was going on with the audio. It kept sounding awful. I didn't know how to fix it, and then I realized that my mic wasn't screwed in the right way. Like it wasn't screwed in all the way through. So I hope the audio is sounding better today. I have a lot to do and I have a lot of work to put into this vlog. So let's get started. Yesterday we decided that we're gonna start a video in Vlogmas with an outfit breakdown just because I think they're cute. So this was today's outfit. I think it's very Beth Harmon inspired. This skirt from ThredUp and I love it. I think it's super classy, very cute, very flattering. And this shirt is actually my old uniform from my old job. I kept it. It's just like now it's just a nice dress blue shirt on my closet. I had boots but I took them off already, but yeah, just imagine knee-high boots with this skirt. I think that look is so classy. I absolutely love it. Oh, hello, Mackie. So the plan for today is I'm gonna be making some dinner now, probably watching some Christmas movies. And I have to sit down with Brock and just like talk about Christmas flights because we're flying to Florida and we should start booking those now so that by the time we actually go, the prices are not insane. Don't judge me, all those dishes are clean. I just have to put them away. I think I'm gonna make this ground beef. I just have to find the sides or like rice or something to put in with it. I think I'm gonna make a pasta. This is whole wheat spaghetti from Good & Gather. Good & Gather is an amazing brand. I love all of their items, but I've never had whole wheat spaghetti before, so I hope we end up liking it. While the water for the pasta boils, I think I'm gonna season the ground beef. Someone told me if I refrigerated the onion, I wouldn't cry. That was bullshit. This is our favorite brand of olive oil. Not that it matters, but we really like this one. I like to wait till the pan is actually hot to put in oil and everything else. I think it works better. I don't know. Such a cutie boy. You wanna say hi to them? Let's say hi to them. Nope, let's not say hi to them. Honestly, if this dinner ends up being a flop, I'm gonna be really upset because it smells amazing in here. I'm not upset. I'm not upset. I think it looks pretty good. And if you feel like I made a lot, that's because I'm trying to make 4 portions. 2 for tonight and 2 for lunch tomorrow. For Brock and I. Because honestly, when I'm not here, he doesn't have lunch. Like, he won't get out of his office. Like he'll just work all day through without having lunch, and that's super unhealthy. He should have lunch. So I feel like if I leave lunch for him, maybe he will. So the end result is a very weird Asian Italian fusion. I'm fine with it. I want to show you guys how it looks. Ooh. I'm thinking about putting cheese on it, I'm not gonna lie. May I add some cheese? Cheese has never ruined any dish that I've ever made. And this won't be the first one. So, we're adding cheese. I'm sorry, but I think that looks amazing. And I'm clearly very modest about my creations. Let's do a taste test. Never made that before, would totally make it again. Why is my nose so red? So I have makeup on my nose, like white makeup, like this makeup. And then I cut that onion, and my nose started running, and I had to blow my nose. And now I look like Rudolph. What's the dilemma we're facing? You don't even have to be on camera if you don't want to. Just let me know so that I can transmit it.
We are moving the couch.
But why are we moving the couch?
Because the TV's in the middle of the room, but the couch is up against the wall, and it's an L-shaped couch, so there's no seat with real good visibility of the TV.
So how are you gonna make it work? If it's an L-shaped couch, it's like this.
Well, we're not gonna...
So like you would have to like make it like this,
no,
but
we're not
in the
gonna
middle
turn
of the
the
room.
couch because that would look really dumb.
That would look
This
stupid.
is honestly what we need is a straight couch that goes along that wall. But in absence of that,
But I want this
right?
couch.
So in absence of that, we're just gonna move that couch over so that it better lines up at least on the one side with the TV, and then it'll also be closer to the fireplace. So it'll
But
be
then there's gonna be a big empty space back here.
perfect. The windows will have better visibility, and we can put some stuff over there. We can put like a small table or whatever.
I think we
the
should
hell
put a
you
little
want.
bench if we do that.
You can do a bench, absolutely.
But we don't have a bench.
You could put a dog bed for Mackie over there. No, he doesn't matter that much.
It's not that he doesn't matter. It's that he ends up in the couch anyway. Why would we do duck bed?
Do what you gotta do.
For the good of the realm. My camera's about to die. I see my light is blinking, so I have to make this fast. If you watch this, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Vlogmas is definitely challenging for me.